Hello viewers, welcome. Now in this video, we're going to look at molarity and molality. Now these are terms you find as you learn solutions in chemistry. You'll come across these two terms, molarity and molality. Now what are these two terms? Now let's start with molarity. Molarity is a form of concentration. Molarity is a form of concentration that is represented by the capital letter M. So when you see capital letter M in terms of solutions, just not say we're talking about concentration. And this concentration we're talking about is molarity. Concentration, which is molarity. Now, what is this molarity? It's concentration in terms of moles of solute. Concentration in terms of moles of solute per volume of solution. Moles of solute per volume of solution. The key here is molarity is a form of concentration. It's represented by capital letter M, and this form of concentration is calculated by finding the moles of solute per liter of solution. The volume of solution here must be in liters. So it's concentration in terms of moles of solute per liter of solution. In most cases, the formula will look like this. It's N over L, where we're saying this is moles, number of moles per liter of solution, or number of moles per volume in liters of solution. So this is about molarity. It's a form of concentration that is calculated by dividing the moles of solute per liter of solution. Moles of solute per liter of solution. It's represented by M, and it has a sound of rit at the end, molarity at the end. So the RITY is the one that makes it different again in terms of sound, with molarity on the other side. The R sound, and we have an L sound there. So this is molarity. What then is molarity? Molarity, just like molarity, is also a form of concentration. It's also a form of concentration. Now, this concentration is represented by small letter m. Now, what is this type of concentration? It's a form of concentration that is also concentration in terms of, we still have moles of solute there, just like we had for molarity. We're still talking about moles of solute, but then is per kgs of solvent. Remember there, we're talking about moles of solute per liter of solution. In this case, it's no longer the same. We're talking about concentration in terms of moles of solute per kgs of solvent. Moles of solute per kgs of solvent. So this is the difference between those two. This one has got an L, making it sound molality. That one has got an R, making it sound molarity. This molarity is represented by capital letter M. The molality is represented by a small letter m. Concentration in terms of molarity is moles of solute per liter of solution. In terms of molality, we're talking about moles of solute per kgs of solvent. Remember, in terms of solutions, we have what we call a solute and what we call a solvent. I hope you know those terms, but when we talk about a solvent, it's that which dissolves the solute, and when we talk about the solute, it's that substance that dissolves in a solvent. For example, if you have sugar and water, water can dissolve sugar. So sugar in this case is the solute and water is the solvent. That which can dissolve into another substance is what we call a solute, and that substance that can dissolve other substances in itself, that's what we call a solvent. An example of solvent is water. An example of a solute is sugar. So moles of solute per kgs of solvent, and molarity, we're talking about moles of solute per liter of solution. So this was a simple video explaining those two terms and a few differences there. In terms of writing, if you see 20 molar like this, in terms of concentration, this is molarity, and if you see it written in this form, this is molarity. So we have 20 molar concentration, we have 20 molar concentration. So this is called molar concentration, and this is called molar. Yes. So 20 molar concentration, 20 molar concentration. They are both concentrations, but that one is molar concentration. This is molar concentration. Moles of solute per kgs of solvent. Moles of solute per liter of solution. Thank you very much. If you found this video to be helpful, please subscribe to our channel and invite your friends to do the same.